Welcome in to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. I'm a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at Chainlink, do an update on the daily chart. We'll zoom out to the bigger picture, see how we close the weekly candle, and we'll look for levels to the high side and the low side. If you want access to our private Telegram alerts group, consider subscribing through Patreon in our link below. All right, words are hard. Daily chart update for Chainlink. A little bit of a move back down here. We're testing the EMA 8 kind of right now as we speak around the $20 area. If we break lower, the odds are increasing of testing our swing lows again around the $18 area. However, don't panic. Chainlink just needs a couple of candles on the daily chart or the weekly chart, preferably both, above the 21 level, and then we can start to boom. That's what our video was last week. You can go check that out if you haven't seen that yet. Chainlink, when it can explode? How about a couple candle closes above the $21 level, right? Let's go look at the weekly, then we'll come right back, right? We closed the week right at $20.51, right? We made it to our high of 21. We were briefly there, but so far we haven't been able to close. Now this week, if we can close above 21, we need to we can start to get a little bit more excited, right? We're at the boiling point. 21 comes a couple of weeks in a row and we're ready to fly. Our lower time zone, right? Our lower kind of throwback is, 16 to 18 between these two areas. Our EMA 8 on the weekly is now just under $19 and rising week over week. Worst case scenario for Chainlink, as always, the 21-week EMA, the yellow line, is right just shy of $16. Probably going to be a decent amount over 16 as of this weekly close. We'll watch and see how things develop. Bitcoin's on a tear to the upside. Altcoins, not so much. Why is that happening? If you're new here, it's Bitcoin dominance, right? All the money is in Bitcoin, right? It's getting sucked. It's sucking out the liquidity from the altcoins, right? That's how it works. So we want Bitcoin dominance to roll over if you want to see a kaboom in alts, right? Chainlink included in that. Okay, now let's go back to our shorter time frame daily chart for Link. Right, the 21-day is right there, 1940. But like I said, if we start to breach this, right, come back more than these highs, right, we're still okay as of right now. But the odds for our swing low retest increases greatly if we close back below the EMA 8 on the daily. So close back under 20. And maybe we come back down here, right? And we can stretch this zone out, right? Whenever it happens. If we lose these lows, high probability of going to this bigger zone, right? Where we kind of spent many months going sideways here. The top of that zone, right? And the 100-day EMA in the blue, around 1650, right? We've talked about this in pretty much every video. Our low that we'd like to see, hold if we go down, worst case scenario, the wick, the 21 week, we likely would not close below that 21 week EMA. But for the daily chart, right, because we're looking at just the daily here, the 200-day EMA is where our target ultra low is. So that's rising as well, week over week. This time next week, we might be around 15 level, rising, looking as of now, rising about $1 a week. So looking good for Chainlink. Still, we're kind of in the patience test zone, but if you're thinking about selling, right, just go ahead and sell. And as soon as you sell, we'll start to pump, okay? That's usually how it works. As soon as you buy something, the pump's over. As soon as you sell, it starts to go, right? Generally how it works. But we have plenty of time, right? We don't feel like you're missing it just because you see some coins doing better or worse, right? Look at Chainlink, right? A lot of coins are down much more than Chainlink today, right? Chainlink's just kind of holding its own. It kind of just stands in the water, no matter which direction the stream is going, right? It's kind of more stable than a lot of these coins to the high side and the low side. So it works out well when everything is dropping, not so well when everything's pumping, but we'll get there, right? $21 looking better for Chainlink. Let's go see how the monthly is shaping up for March, right? I mean, look at these moves. Chainlink since October, even to current prices, up over 250%. Okay, that's still pretty good in 6 months. Inside of 6 months, not too bad of a return. I know some have done better than that, but look at this. This is that weekly zone and the daily zone we've looked at. The EMA 8 is right at $15. Matches these swing highs here, right? All this stuff in working together kind of starts to make sense, right? For the monthly chart, the monthly zone, somewhere in there from, 15 to, macro scale 1650-ish, probably still rhyming with that. So if you want to buy some more Chainlink, where do I generally recommend? Probably around the 1650 level. Otherwise, you're just dollar cost averaging, day over day, week over week on red days. If you want to, and then this goes true for any altcoin. If you want to buy more of any asset, you're waiting for it to go on sale. You're not buying at a premium, right? Buy on red days. If it's down 5%, you buy more. Maybe you want to buy some more Ajax. Well, it's 5% off today, right? Almost 6%. Doesn't mean you go all in or all out, right? That's not the way to do it, but dollar cost average on red days, certainly at key moving averages, never a bad idea. That's Chainlink. Daily update for Monday, March the 4th. Let's go to our quote of the day. As long as you live, keep learning how to live. How many people just get through high school or college and then just stop learning? Like a lot of people, right? So learn something new every day, every week. Read something. Better yourself. You'd be surprised how far that gets you in a couple of years. Car of the day. This is a crazy one, right? I went to Amelia Island for the Concours d'Elegance over the weekend. This was there. It was an auction. Any guesses what this is or how much it went for? Right, I'm going to show you in a minute. Mercedes 1957 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in probably the coolest color I've ever seen. I didn't even know that color existed back then, but here it is. Everything's original. We're talking money here, right? How much did this go for? I was standing in this auction house and it was going crazy. You'll see why in a minute. Any guesses? Just how much did it go for? This is almost, it was like going once, going twice, and then it goes up higher. They're like in a bidding war for this stuff. Look at that. They even got local currencies for you. Look at that. Amazing car. Okay, we're getting there. There's what the final winning price was. $2,050,000. Holy hell. I don't think I would have guessed that. I was hoping for like five. I think it started at like 300,000 and it was just like within minutes, 2 million sold. Amazing. Amazing car. I'm glad I got to see it sitting behind the board there. Let's go back and look at it. I wish I had a better picture, but there's a lot of people in there. All right. That's the car of the day. Car of the century. Wow. Impressive.